Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Today, we're looking at the most minimalistic launcher for the Surface Duo possible. This is what it looks like. And I know it's a little weird looking because of the reflection of my display. We're going to go ahead and look at it on the big screen. But it is not much at all when it comes to actually stuff on the screen. And the reason why is because it is called the Minimalistic for a reason. So this is what you literally have on your top display. I have it in large for you guys so you guys can see it a little bit better. But it just starts off right away by saying the time, the date, year in progression, and then obviously it says 50% of the year is progressed. Whatever your battery life is, your weather, and then whatever your most recent task actually is. So my most recent task is 4 p.m. work. So it literally is that simple. And honestly speaking wise, it is what it says. Minimalistic. That's literally everything of what this actually is, and I think it's actually really honestly dope. So starting off right away, let's go ahead and look at it full screen here. This is this launcher does launch in it can only be launched as a vertically. It cannot be launched any other way. So it is one of those things where, like I said before, you can't really make this horizontal. You can't do the dual screen and then look at it like this. You have to look at it vertically, which again is just another thing that kind of interesting, but at the same time it's whatever. So the bottom display literally says two things: your calls and your task. Now if I click on my tasks, these are all the tasks that I can make personally. I can prioritize this to go ahead and actually do whatever my most recent task is, and that most recent task will show up on your screen at the very top there to kind of give you a reminder, hey, guess what, this is actually something. This is something you need to remember, need to go ahead and do. Honestly, it is actually really, really cool to me. So starting off right away, if we go ahead and you go to the bottom left-hand corner, there is three little dots, and that will go ahead and bring up this screen right here. Now, this screen right here is going to go ahead and be your settings for this launcher. So we have a launcher preferences, change themes, icon packs, choose font size, more, upgrade to pro. Obviously I don't have the pro model. Launcher preferences, let's look at this. So okay, so you can literally update this as much as humanly possible. We have the manage hidden apps, manage favorites, show app icons, hide battery life. You can literally just go ahead and pretty much make this as customized as you want, while still remaining that minimalistic look. So next thing we have here is gonna be change themes. As you guys can see, I had the black theme here, but you can go ahead and change that up if you want to. Let's see, can I choose that one? Okay, it might not. Okay, what? Oh wow, that got really bright very quickly. I will definitely say that. Okay, so the other ones are kind of glitched. It won't let me do the other ones. I think it only lets me do black or white. Kind of. Okay, it's not too bad. It's kind of weird, but it's not too bad. Okay, so obviously they're trying to sell the full model, full version of this app, which again, I personally, as a launcher, I probably wouldn't rock this, but if you personally think this is cool, this is, again, like I said, very minimalistic. So next thing I want to do here is going to go ahead and be, actually is, oh, here we go. Talking about that. You slide to the right, and now you have all your applications. So just like other, different launchers we have seen, it is pretty much plain simple. Usually there's just a list of applications of all your applications on the right-hand side. You can go ahead and just scroll down and go ahead and check out all your applications. Honestly speaking wise, like I said, it's a really cool concept. As you can see, if you go ahead and hold on to it, it doesn't let you add it to the home screen. So like I said before, it is literally just keeping this as minimalistic as possible. I said probably that word 100 times in this video, but that's literally what this is. So if you like the idea of the concept of just having a launcher where you don't have to have it cluttered, there's nothing cluttered, it is strictly, honestly, just work. This is a perfect launcher for you. This is a perfect launcher if you are just a person who doesn't want to get distracted with social media, doesn't want to get distracted with other meaningless stuff in your life. You just want to focus on work, go home, sleep, go to work, that kind of stuff. That's what this is. It gives you everything you need. It gives you the time, the date, it gives you the weather, it gives you whatever task you are currently need to work on, your calls, so you can go and make calls with people, and of course your task, you can make more tasks. If you need the applications, they are over here. It is somewhat customizable in these settings, not as much as I would like to see customizability, but like I said, it's just simply not a type of thing where it's meant to be customized. It's meant to just be bland and kind of bare, and that's pretty much it. It's not meant to have this, you know, elaborate setup where you're like, oh my god, this, I can do this and this. I mean, we have looked at many launchers on this channel, as you guys know, for this device, and a lot of these launchers are really cool. They're really, you know, unique, and they're set up in a lot of cool ways. I love that, but this is simply not that type of launcher. This is very minimalistic for a reason, because this is what the selling point of this, you know, launcher is. So with that in mind, guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.